A BJP close distribution program in Hmara had turned violent after alleged Tipra Mota supporters had attacked a gathering at Shimna Mandal's community hall. Senior BJP leader Mangal Dev Barma had sustained a severe head injury while several party workers and a journalist covering the event has also been assaulted. All injured has been shifted to GB Pant Hospital in Agartala. The program had been scheduled to be attended by former Chief Minister and West Tripura MP Biplab Kumar Deb, but the attack had occurred before his arrival. According to Mangal Dev Barma, he had reached early to oversee preparations when a large group had surrounded the venue and launched the assault. He had claimed that the attackers were Tipra Mota supporters and had identified a few local leaders present at the booth. Dev Barma had expressed concerns that despite Tipra Mota being part of the coalition with BJP and IPFT, its supporters had prevented BJP activities in their strongholds. Later, Biplab Kumar Deb had visited the hospital, condemned the incident and urged for unity, calling the attack an act of fringe elements that undermined political harmony.
এরপর লাঠি দিছে আমি পড়ে গেছি না জি পরে একদম পুরা অন্ধকার হয়েছে পুরা চোখ চোখ পুরা এরপরে আমি পড়ে গেছি এরপরে পুলিশ
আমাদের একটা প্রোগ্রাম ছিল আমাদের হেজামারা কমিউনিটি হলে ওইখানে আমাদের আস্তে যাওয়ার কথা ছিল প্রোগ্রামের টাইম
অনেকেই আসেনি হলে প্রায় অর্ধেকেই আসেনি এখন তখন আর লিডাররা তো কেউ জানিনি আমরা ছিলাম পাবলিকও আমাদের সাপোর্টারও অর্ধেকের কমই এসেছিল তো আমরা 12টায় টাইম দিয়েছিলাম তো প্রোগ্রাম শুরু ছিল 12:30টায়।